Good morning! Vlogmas day 7! Vlogmas day 7! Also, I got my nails done, look. Now, no God. Guys, these are the watts that we burnt off yesterday, look. These are going to finish in days. It's about, guys, hi. It's about 7:23 and I'm gonna do some edits for, let's say, maybe I have to edit 2 YouTube videos for 2 days, separate days. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I am about to edit this. And also, this is my new water bottle. My water bottle. Come, Alicia, come. Come. Talk my come. Come on, just wearing her shirt. Look at him. He's wearing her shirt. Look at him. Come on. Guys, we're building. Not me, but they're building. Bah, very sorry. You gotta start from somewhere, guys. This is my old one. It was cute while it lasted. Struggling. What's the time? I posted my podcast episode 1 and I also posted my vlog for day 3. Am I right? Vlogmas day 4. Oh my god, we're on day 4. I'm gonna post the day 5 too. This is the day 6 today. I can't believe I vlogged for 6 days. What the fuck? Now oh. Oi mo kokela ko ba ore? Ya bukare bo. Ko mo kare ko na bra. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fonty. Welcome back to my channel. We are cooking zanuzels. This is a pot, proudly sponsored by Indomie Goreng. I'm kidding, not sponsored. Indomie, if you're watching this, sponsor. No! Okay, there. Having noodles. Uncle Della must be. Della? We have some iron. I wear some Iron Man in the house.
Yeah.
You guys are working for me. Every morning put like a cigarette. I'm eating while we have someone cutting firewood. Guys, I am at the market. This is called Seme Market. Let me show you guys Seme Market. These are the vibes. Cucumber, we have pineapple, with mangoes. My yard is like not maybe 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer away. Yes, maybe 1 kilometers away from my place. Guys, there's octopus. Octopus here. Yes.
7.5.
Okay. 5 round tayo na abya. Okay na. Guys, we're getting octopus, fresh fried octopus. We are getting fresh. That's the highway actually, highway. Guys, now we're getting sago. In this, they have this. Now we're at the other market. They have octopus, prawns, and sago. We're getting a lot of cucumber because we need to eat cucumber. One kinanin. Because I bought this bouquet for like 2 kina. I bought this bouquet for 2 kina at the market. Look, it's perfect. It's perfect. This is what it's so pretty. Yeah, let's talk this. Hi vlog. Cox. Coins. Guys, we're building. Now the roof is on. Hi vlog. It's about like 1 o'clock. See, my spots are getting red. We're building. We're building. Yeah. I'm taking the roof down. Guys, we are leaving the house. Okay, we have all the lights here.
You are standing outside in the night.
Hey, stop it, guys, stop.
Stop.
I just want to make a star in the night and bring it.
No, stop it. Never. Fine.
Okay, that's fine. That's the star. Okay, put the ornaments now. This one.
Laura, unbox. You unbox me
Like
too.
this last one.
People unboxing everything. And me?
Yeah, this is the one. This is stand. I got this for $100. It's actually 265 kina, but I got this for 100 kina. But nails from me time. Nails sponsored. This one not sponsored. Yeah. Good scale size. Okay, hi guys. Hey, can you all introduce your name? Hi, I'm Fonty. Hi vlog. Hi YouTube. Oh yeah, introduce.
I'm Kamahal Kemang.
I'm Kamal Kem and I'm 65. And Merry Christmas to Iwara and Merry
Ayara.
Christmas to Ayama. And this is what we call a Christmas tree. Here, Christmas tree.
Yeah, they can
And that's
see.
me up there. The center.
No, sorry. That's all.
Let me see.
That's
It's me, the Santa Claus.
okay. That's you.
That's me.
Nala, why don't we put ornaments?
And I got one more.
Ornaments. You guys are smart. So you guys put them in the way it should look nice. Gold, mix them. We have more ornaments here, so why on my teeth? Nails from me time.
Yeah, tired.
Okay.
She came and she said, I'm gonna start.
What did she say?
She go, "Why do you push me to get
Madi, you have a friend on my
You're funny for that.
She came and cried and my father was and shut it up.
What did your father say?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay guys, we're gonna fill my water. This one also from Brian Bell, not sponsored. I bought this. It's in the fridge, please. It's not really cold, but that's fine. Fly dia mai bawa guys. Orang tu Korea. Si kuna be mana? Nah, aku friend mah.
Ya mera papa oi ma de tau me kwa na tien no.
Saya kan juga diam. Nah, why would you do that? Saya go free debo ni mah. Guys, I'm gonna close the vlog now. It's about 9 p.m. so we're putting this Christmas light again. Look at my look, Christmas tree. It's good vibes. Look. We have someone dancing there. I go, hi YouTube. Hi wonderful people. Okay, we're setting one more Christmas light. Putting another last Christmas tree light. Last Christmas lights that I'm gonna go to sleep. They're running some maintenance for PNG Power. What are you guys doing?
We're putting the lights for Christmas.
What are you guys doing?
We're getting ready for festive season.
It's already festive season.
Yeah.
Guys, I have my two slaves here, the workers there, putting the lights.
I'm an electrician, so I know what to do.
Sorry.
Thank you, YouTube. I'm an electrician.
Christmas vibes. Done.
Okay.
Now we're gonna test the lights. So guys, this is the vibes.